Hello techies, I am TK and you are going to learn a code with me. Let's see in today's video how we are going to have a fun with the strings using different keywords. Before having fun, just know the today's contents. First we are going to see about f-string, then strings and indexes. Next is data types conversion, and then finally real-time application, which is a mileage converter. Okay, now let's start the session. Here in the second print command, I have written both in string and integer formats, but it has given inside the double quotations, right? So as a whole, the Python will take it as a string format only. In the output, we can see all the strings in the print commands. But in the second scenario, we are assigning some value to that variable, right? And that variable has given inside the curly braces in the print command. Do you think whether it will print the output without any error messages? Absolutely not. We should have to use f-string to print both the strings and integer format together. There is also another syntax to print all the formats given inside the print command. Now, let's see about strings and indexes. This index indicates the position of each characters. Just see in this variable, this R is in the 0th position, I is in the 1st position, and A is in the 2nd position. If you want to print particularly any of the character, then it should be called by its index only. Now, I would like to print the characters of that variable vertically. Let's see the output. Now, what we should do to print the characters upside down? It's simple. I'm just going to give the index in the negative values. Now we are going to see how to convert float to integer, integer to string formats. I'm giving float value to a variable called number, and this command is to change the float into an integer format. Let's see in the output. In this case, I'm just assigning a list of numbers to a single variable. Let's talk about the list in the upcoming videos. Here, I'm going to convert this number to a string format by using the following command. See, the curly braces is also included in the output, so it means the output has already changed into a string format. Now coming to real-time application, I'm going to program for converting the input values from kilometer to miles. This command is to accept the decimal values, and also the conversion takes place here. This command is to round off the decimal values with only two numbers, which is coming after the decimal point. Thanks for watching, guys. For more interesting topics, please do subscribe this channel. Until next video, bye and cheers. Take care.